all the way around. And here we go with the last spoon right on the edge. Get that on there. Crack some eggs. Like that. Right in there. There we go, beautiful. Let's hit that with a little salt and pepper. Got some chives. Little crispy bacon. Ooh, extra there. And jalapenos. There we go. Some crispy onions. We're gonna come all the way around on top of our mac and cheese. Extra crisp. These come out as easy as 1, 2, 3. There you go. There's 1 and 2. Stays right in the center. And we shut it. Okay, and it definitely smells like it. Alright. Let's get this unstuck real quick. Perfect. Now, we're going to remove this because we can. And we bring it over here. We can flip it on here. Check that out. Get some cheese while it's still hot. And get melty. Just like that. Spread it. And if you didn't know what to do with your leftover pulled pork, just give it its best life. Just like this. Look at that sandwich. Some chives. And we're going to finish it off with the rest of our crispy bacon. Just like that. Now, let's fold it over. And enjoy. Just like that. Now that's a sandwich. Let's cut into it. Look at that.